Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers kan ajilaga main headlines. Municipal Affairs Department pra sub municipal or town councils ke fees or tax kunba collect nakura hujabole direct rishi. Nagaland nagamaki Dr. Ekjunkun Gorakhpurte post hoikina se tai opor allegedly racial attack hwa nimite duijun ke arrest krishi. Northeast leaders pra Delhi te Arunachal maki tinta opor racially abuse hwato strongly condemn krishi. Pakistan pra Afghanistan te airstrike kurate kom se kom 13 June murishe koikna United Nation Assistant Mission Afghanistan pra janadishi. Municipal Affairs Department pra sub municipal or town councils ke fees or tax kunba collect nakura hojabole direct rishi. Additional Secretary T interim memo audio pra February 23 tarik laga order issue kurate department pra agete check gates, toll gates, tax nalobole kwato aro GST system under saman ahakan opor ULBs ke tax collect kurble ban thakato aro be ekbar junadeshi. Order state kuishe ki Dimapur Municipal Council DMC is Dimapur Town Council EDTC aro Zinaboto Town Council laga against eneka tax aro fees collect ra complaints by shikoishi. Nagaland Municipal Act 2023 laga Section 81 to invoke rikna. Department pra sub councils ke tolls or urban utility fees saman opor toll, khali gari entry fees or gari entry kura fees kan nalwa hui jabole direct rishi. Tai khan clarify kuishi ki act laga Section 124 under taxes or fees nimite age government laga sanction lage junchu grant kurikina nai koishi puisa collect kurble structure bonakina thaka khan March 6 tarik age sob dismantle bhangai dibule direct rishi. Deputy Commissioner DC Dimapur Dr. Tino Jongshi Changbi DMC or East Dimapur Town Council ke government naga orders to chalabole direct rishi. DC tax bishi loidia laga complaints kan junai dikhna state kurishe ki interstate tax approve kurikina thaka to charikina Home Department logote approval nalwa dusra kanto sob bon kurble lage koikna junadeshi. DC junaishi ki September 25th tarik jasa laga later te clearly state government pra GST import or export items opor coupon dikina chutu tax collect kurble permission dianai koikna state kurishe ki itu nimite tax itu to nalwa hui jabole lage koikna junadeshi. Itu ekla nohoy kina May 19 tarik sal 2022 te Home Department pra pura puri ban kuri dia nimite toll tax to lubole allow nai kushi authorities ke sob unauthorized check gates or toll gates kan cancel or hatai dikina action law laga report submit kurble direct rishi. Northeast Manukan against racial discrimination bishi hoikina jaithaka majute Nagaland laga Maki Dr. Kun Ames Gorakhpur Uttar Pradesh te post hoikina se tai opor allegedly racial attack hwanimite duijun ke arrest krishi. Police pra accuse ke Dioro district laga residents Suraj Gupta ro Amrit Vishwakarma koikna identify krishi. Dr. pra Sunday evening din take institution laga gate number 2 osor stock piche kura racial slurs kotha kwa aro physically assault kura alleged kurikina complaint file kurishi. Victim kun third year resident obstetric aro gynecology te specialized kurikina ase tai mall te jaikina rati 8 baji nishna te wapas ai thakishe. Taike allegedly tinta mota pra 1 kilometer nishna piche kurishi koishe complain hisabte to tinta mota pra ektam letra aro racially discriminate kura kotha koikina allegedly biya tarika pra taike choishe koikina junadishi. National Federation of Residents Doctors of AIMS and INIS NAFORD pra social media te incident ito to ektam mon napun char traumatic ase koikina state kurishe Federation junaishi ki to mota khan taike gate number 2 fale piche koikna biya kotha khan koishe kote manu ekjun allegedly army camp osor talaga piche fale choishe koikna junadeshi. Police Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNS laga provisions under alak-alak section opor case register koikna ase. Authorities janaishi ki doctor itupra halakra nimite accused khan jagate pra polai jeshe koishe hoilebi victim toiku jokhom hwanai koikna junadeshi. Guwahati High Court Kohima bench pra Nagaland government schools laga 1161 Hindi teachers pra salaries bishi deri nimite regular nahwa aru dusra state employees ke সা নিশনা ইকুৱেলি নাসা নিমিত্তে কেছ ফাইল কৰা অপৰ নটিচ পঠাইছে ষ্টেটমেণ্ট ইটো ইনফৰ্ম কৰি কিনা CSS হিন্দী টিচাৰ কনভেনাৰ Shervinlo Kipan আৰু Secretary Ketol Hole Kutso জনাইছে কি মেটাৰটো ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী 20 তাৰিখ দিন হেৰিং লৈছে কৈছে হেৰিং পিছতে এডভোকেটছ ৰবীন্দ্ৰ কুমাৰ মিত্ৰা সূৰ্যা দাস আৰু M Solo কোন পিটিশনাৰ্ছ নিমিত্তে এপিয়াৰ কৰি ৰাখিছে তাখান জনাইছে কি কৰ্ট পৰা ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট আৰু চেণ্ট্ৰেল গভৰ্ণমেণ্টকে নটিচ ইছ্যু কৰিছে কয় কিনা জনাইছে পিটিশনাৰ ষ্টেট কৰিছে কি তাখান কে সাল 2012 তে চেণ্ট্ৰী স্পন্সৰ্ড স্কিম CSS under Nagaland Hindi promote korbo nimite appoint kurishi koishi center pra post to approve kurikina plan kurikina thaka nishna sal 2017 tak pura salary laga poisa to te raishi juntu pichte salaries nimite center pra memorandum issue kura hisabte state government hi pura responsibility lobo karni lage koikina junadishi Teachers janaishe ki takan kam bhal prakura pichte bi salaries irregularly paishe aru bishi moina deri kuri de koishi petitioners allege koishe ki takan ke officially regular appointees banai dikhna bi dusra state employees nishna benefits lap nohile financial security nai koikina junadishi matter to 4 hafta pichte othabole expected ase Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu pra aji Malviya Nagar South Delhi te allegedly tinta Arunachal laga maiki ke racially abuse or insult krato strongly condemn kurikna Delhi Police Commissioner ke jaldi or strict action lobole urge kurishi Chief Minister janaishi ki accused kan nokaisi holebi bishi jaldi arrest hobo koishi maiki manu laga safety dignity or justice to eta dangor importance ase koikna kotha dishi Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma or Congress Member of Parliament, Angomcha Bimol Akoijam, Sikkim Member of Parliament, Indira Hangsuba, or Dusra Northeast like leaders be incident to condemn Kurikina strict action demand Kurishi, Sangma pra Northeast Manu against barbar and discrimination hoi thakato, criticize Kurikina, incident ito to item sorom ase Kurikina, Janadishi. Delhi Police Mota Maiki Kun pra racially abuse Kurishi takan against BNS 2023 laga relevant sections under FIR register Kurikina ase. International News United Nations Assistant Mission in Afghanistan UNAMA hisabte February 21-22 majte Pakistan pra Afghanistan te airstrike kurate kom se kom 13 June murishe kote maiki aru bacha khan thakishe aru 7 June jokom hoy kina ase koishi UNAMA koishi ki airstrike to Basur aru Gugai Khani district te 11:15 PM aru 1:45 AM majute strike kurishi koishi Burmal district te school aru mosque aru organ district te ghor ekta bhangai dishi koi kina janadishi Afghanistan laga Ministry of National Defense pra allege kurishi ki strike to madrasa residential ghor khan target kurikina manu bishi murishi aru jokom hoy kina ase koi kina state kurishi Ministry warn kurishi ki thik aru measured response kuribo koi kina janadishi kintu UNAMA pra sob parties ke civilians ke protect korble aru investigations aru accountability nimite transparency ensure korble janadishi